snowbirds.
Yeah.
That's right. Lots of snowbirds. I wonder if they nest in holes. That could be his nest over there.
Uh-huh. I think they stay in.
Redstart. I know, but you can get him sitting patiently waiting. Now he's, oop, maybe he's going to come over for it. He's coming over for it.
Oh, look at this sex. Oh, you got... A cardinal calling. What's your name, sir?
It's Art.
Art. And my name's Art too, so we've got 3 Arts going.
Really?
Yeah, you're doing art, your name is Art, my name is Art.
I don't know how that happens.
You know what I like about Sweetwater Wetlands?
What do you like?
I just love sewer water.
It's your favorite. But if you go further out from the cinnamon teal, on the left is the ruddy duck.
Looks like a clown.
That must be during breeding season. He's got green too. He's got orange and he's got green.
All right, here's the Rio Grande. It should be the Rio Sand because it's nothing but sand.
Every couple minutes he calls. Now the other one's calling. I forget the name of them.
Organ pipe?
I think you're right.
And I don't hear a thing. I don't think we're going to see a bird.
Okay.
I mean, it's...
On the other side of these is the White Sands Missile Range.
Oh, let's go over there and shoot missiles. This is a New Mexican... how do you say it? And we've got a New Mexican black-throated sparrow. And a Mexican crystal thrasher. Yeah, his beak is much more curved than a...
And longer.
I was born in a taxi on the westbound freeway, about a mile from the hospital door. And Mama tried her best as she held me to her breast, but I wouldn't take another drop more. Schoolwork was always a bore, and I never had time for my chores. I was too busy playing, and it goes without saying, trying to make the girl next door. I'm never gonna change my way.
So did you build the sandcastle?
No, I had nothing to do with it. I only built the moat.
The moat.
And the bridge.
How many beers? How many beers does it take to build a sandcastle?
About 10 beers.
10 beers?
Every night I crawl in bed and spoon my feather pillow.
This is your white morph reddish egret. It's a lot of colors.
Look at him run. I love him. Look at Doug. Well, they don't scratch. They peck him. They're not
They're
scratching.
kind of like a cross between a chicken and a turkey. There it is. Find the kiskadee. Found the kiskadee.
What's getting the water?
It's just staring
Got
at
a
you.
yellow spot.
Oh, it's spitting it out.
Did you see the yellow spot on his head?
Good, a mature yellow-crowned night heron. You know why he's mature?
How do you know he's mature?
Because he's not goofing around. It's kind of boring. So, like, this is the trifecta. Reddish egret,
You got an
ibis, and a spoonbill, and a great egret. The quadfecta.
And then there's down here.
And then, 5. Now there's a
Oh my gosh.
a tricolored. And his bill is curved.
Well, this one's curved, the long bill too.
Is it?
Look at. And it's smaller.
Yes. Oh, now I can see the side of the face.
You're in luck here. The Audubon overall.
That's a cool one.
We saw it once before, but I've never gotten a photo of it.
Yeah,
I've seen lots of
that's
times.
a pretty sweet bird.
Are they just coming in? Or are they? If I go down there in the cave, I'm going to go down there. And if I'm not back in 3 hours, 4 hours.
I'll call 911 and have them go get you.
I
I'm not going in that cave.
Well, I probably I probably died of hantavirus if I'm not back.